Good afternoon, everyone. I am here with our second announcement of our courses that we're holding in July. So the second course is a textile journal. So it's going to be a soft covered fabric journal or textile journal, and it'll be made in a similar fashion to a regular journal like these ones, with lots of pockets and flips and things, but all fabric. And then you can use them you can put in, I've made them before, I think 2016, 2018, if you go back on my Instagram, I had made a Christmas one with lots of pockets and things, and I had actually put in little paper journals inside the pockets and things to write on. But you could also, they could be something that you could work on over time, like the hardcover one that we made in our first course that we did in Australia. So this one I haven't finished, but you could make things, stitch things that you could then attach to the pages or slide into the pages as well. So it's similar to this, but in fabric, all in fabric, soft cover. And so inside you could also make them to use for your sewing notions if you want to, or as a journal. And they could be something cool for like a seasonal journal, where it could be for summertime or that sort of thing. And you might have been in a field and there's lots of bees, and embroider a bee, and then maybe you went and did something and you were in a field of daisies. You get the drift of, or you saw a gorgeous rabbit jumping across in front of you. If you're in Australia, you saw a kangaroo and you want to embroider one. But this is really, I made this for sewing notions, but what we are going to be focused on is it being more like a paper journal, but done with fabric. So lots of fun things. You'll get very generous kits, both from Italy and from Sass, who has the most enormous, beautiful collection of things. And we'll be able to put a tie on them, decorate them as you like. This one's not 100% finished. You'll get fun things to embellish with, and they are a lot of fun. Once you get the knack of I sort of construct my pages. So this is just a folded something, but when I've got a little piece of fabric, I construct my pages. So I'll show you how, well, we'll show you how you do that. And then the first course, of course, is the hardcover paper journal. And there will be some textiles going into those, and as we mentioned, 3 different degrees of difficulty for the cover, so that way it's friendly to those who are not really into stitching. So this would not take you very long to do it all. It's just stitched around the outside, no embellishing. You could then come back and embellish with paper a little bit too if you want to, which is super cool, mixing all the things up. So they're the 2 courses that we're doing. They're kind of related to each other. One is mostly paper, the other one is a paper journal, the other is a hardcover, and the other is a textile journal. So the listing is up. I will link it in the description box. I'll link both. They are at Made by Me workshop in Sydney, so very, very accessible for anyone coming from interstate or elsewhere. It's no hopping on trains and traveling out of Sydney. And yeah, so we're very excited. We hope to have a few people join us, and have a great Easter, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.